Hello, everyone. So I've been getting a lot of inquiry, people asking how they can move down to the United States of America through study. Study is the easiest way to migrate to any country, especially the United States of America. So if your destination is the USA, then you really need to watch this video. I've done videos in the past about how to move down to the USA for free. I've shared universities in the US that provide scholarships and other forms of financial aid for international students to study free of charge. And a lot of my viewers have gone ahead to apply to these universities, and there's just been a lot of inquiry about it. So I just thought I should make a video, to show you other universities that are offering, free study to international students. So if you want to study for your bachelor's, master's, or PhD, then you really need to watch this video because I'm going to be showing you universities where you can do that with financial aid, so you don't have to break the bank to study in America. So if you want to migrate to America, this is the easiest way to do it, easiest and fastest. And studying in America is a very good way to settle in the country, get your permanent residency and your citizenship. So do watch this video if that is in your plans. If we're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. If relocation is what you really want to do, yeah, you really need to watch a lot of videos. You can't rely on just one video. You need to arm yourself with a whole lot of information that will help your process to be faster, easier, and even cheaper. On my channel right now, I have a whole lot of videos that you can watch that are going to facilitate your migration. You're going to see videos on how to migrate without needing IELTS or without needing a job offer, how to migrate to several countries like the UK, Netherlands, Portugal, Australia, Germany, Sweden, Spain, so many countries. So you may want to watch those videos so you can know your options. If you want to migrate, for work, you want to migrate for study, or you just need change of environment, you want to take your family and go reside in a foreign country, there are videos for everybody on my channel. So do watch my existing videos and also turn on the post notifications. So every time I share a new video, you'll be notified. So you just click the notification and then watch the video. And if you want to talk to me privately, you want to talk about your personal needs when it has to do with relocation, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. A link is in the description box on how to do that, or you send me a direct message on Instagram. So there are three ways to reach me. Either you book a consultation using the link in the description box, or you send me an email or a DM on Instagram. And if you're a returning viewer to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you do find value in my channel. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. That is a like. It's just a way of appreciating what I do. Seeing your likes and your comments, encourage me a whole lot and motivate me to do more videos for you. So do give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. All right. So let me show you these schools real quick. So let's see English proficiency, because that is one question that I get a lot. So undergraduate English proficiency requiremement. So if it's IELTS, which is the most popular among my audience, is 5.5. And they have countries that are exempt. Okay, here it is. Exempted countries from English proficiency test score requirement: Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, Australia, Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Bermuda, Botswana, British Virgin Islands, Canada, Cayman Islands, Dominica, Gambia, Ghana, Fiji, Grenada, Guyana, Ireland, Jamaica, Kenya, Liberia, Malawi, Namibia, Nigeria, New Zealand, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, United Kingdom, Zimbabwe, Zambia. Students from these countries are exempted from the English proficiency test score requirement. All right. So if you're from any of these countries, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Uganda, Liberia, Kenya, Malawi, Gambia, all these countries, you are exempt from English proficiency test score. Okay, so you can apply to this school, get your admission, and study without having to prove your English proficiency. Okay. And then if your country is not mentioned here and there are other requirements, let's see here. Freshman students who have attended high school in the US, transfer students transferring at least 24 academic credit hours from accredited US schools, Graduate students who have completed a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution in the US. So, if you fall under this, then you are exempt from the English proficiency, right? You can school here without IELTS, okay? So this is the free application week. So this school is offering free application to undergraduates who apply from 20th to 24th of February. So here it's written, right? Free application week. Undergraduates apply to JSU February 20th to 24th and will waive the application fee. So there is an application fee, but it's being waived right now. So you can hurry and apply to this school for free. All right. So you can click here to learn more about the free application week. So let's get to know more about this school and the programs that they have. So the experience. So this school, they pride themselves as the friendliest campus. Yeah, they have 101 academic programs and 6 national championships. They have 44 student countries of origin. So they have students from 44 countries. Yeah, and 80% students receive financial aid. 80% of the students that enroll to this school receive financial aid, and then 750 plus students employment positions, 11 campus dining locations, and all. Okay, so let's see more about them. So these are the programs they have: College of Arts and Humanities, College of Business and Industry, College of Education and Professional Studies, College of Health Professions and Wellness, College of Science and Mathematics, College of Social and Behavioral Science, right? So if you want to study in any of these colleges, then this is the school for you. Okay? So let's go over to see what they have in terms of admission, right? So let's see admissions. Your journey begins here. So let's see. Let's just go to international, right? And see what they have for international students. Okay. So they have undergraduates and they have graduate students. So let's look at scholarships first before we look at, what they have. Undergraduates, JSC offers a number of scholarships that international students can qualify for. International students are encouraged to review the eligibility requirements for each scholarship opportunity. So they have the New Students Merit Based Scholarship, they have the Presidential Transfer Scholarship, and the International House Scholarship. And then for graduates, they have graduate assistantships and graduate study scholarships. So let's see what this scholarship is about. First time freshman merit based scholarship. So for this scholarship, you'll be considered automatically upon admission, right? Academic merit scholarships are awarded based on students' highest cumulative high school GPA. Students who have a composite test score on file may qualify for a higher value scholarship. Test scores will not have the ability to lower your scholarship amount, only improve it, right? So test scores and transcripts received by May 1 will be evaluated for potential scholarship increases. So you have up till May 1 to send in your test scores and your transcripts. Okay, so this is what you'll be expected to receive based on your GPA. So for 3.75 to 3.99, total annual amount is $6,000. Total 4-year amount is $24,000. So for your 4 years of study, you'll be getting $24,000 if this is your GPA. And if your GPA is 4.0 plus, you're going to be getting $48,000, right? And then you have other scholarships here: Gamecock Success, Gamecock Opportunity. So there are different kinds of ways you can plug into the scholarship that is available in this school. So this is more. This is more scholarships. 20,000, $42,000 for the 4 years, and there is more here. So you just have to go through this to see, which ones you quite qualify for.
competitive leadership honors and performance scholarships, view competitive and foundation scholarships. So there are still more scholarships in the works here. So there are quite a lot. So this is the honor scholarship, and this is the leadership scholarship, right? And this is theater and film scholarship, and then music and band scholarship. So there are quite a lot of scholarships going on in this school. Looks okay. Let's go to international, right? And see the admission requirements. Let's start from undergraduate students, freshmen. Yeah, so you can, this is what you need to apply to this school. Complete the application form and submit the application fee. Okay, but that is exempt for 20th of February to, so you're exempt from this, like I said earlier. High school GPA of 2.0 and 4.0. Submit an official copy of your high school transcript. Then you need a copy of your passport, and you're exempt from English. Let's say you're exempt from the countries I mentioned, but if not, then you have to submit your proof of English proficiency test scores. It must be sent directly from the testing center. Okay, so that's for the undergraduate. So let's look at the graduates. What do you need to apply to this school? Admission requirements. Students are recommended to check the graduate catalog for the most updated program-specific admissions requirements. So you can go check for the requirements for the course, the program you want to do in the school. And then general admissions requirements, application form and application fee of $35, official transcript, degree certificate and or completion certificate for bachelor's degree program. Yeah. Minimum GPA varies depending on the program and test score. Detailed course description and or syllabus for each course subject completed in bachelor's degree program when requested by the concerned graduate department. And then you need a copy of your passport, and you need GRE, GMAT, maths, as required by the program. And then proof of English proficiency score if you are not exempt. If you're exempt, you don't need that. Okay, so the admission steps. So what you need to do to apply here is to complete your application form. You pay your application fee, and then you submit an official copy of the college transcript, in issuing institution sealed envelope. So this needs to come directly from your school. And then you submit a copy of your passport. You submit your English score if you're not exempt, but most people watching this are exempt. And then you submit your GRE, GMAT, math score as required by your program. So that is program specific. And then you submit your resume, your reference letters, and statement of purpose, your writing sample as required by the program you're applying for. And then you submit the transfer clearance form if you are transferring from another university. Yeah, so that's it about your application. So let's look at application deadlines. And then you can click here to see, deadlines for applying to the school. So I think that is it, right? So you can go to this website and check out more information. The name of the school is Jacksonville State University, and this is the URL jsu.edu. jsu.edu. That is the link for this school. So you can go ahead and apply to this school, whether you're going for an undergraduate program or you're going for a graduate program. You can go ahead and send in your application to study. Remember, this is the free application week from 20th to 24th. They're waiving application fee for undergraduates, so you can go ahead and apply.
All right, I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give the video a thumbs up. That is a like. And also share the video with others so they can apply to these schools as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to know other ways you can move down to the United States for free, then do watch this playlist over here to get more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.